Ready to boost your revenue, attract more patients, and tap into the skyrocketing demand for medical weight loss solutions that deliver real results? With obesity rates at an all-time high, patients are seeking medically supervised weight loss programs more than ever. By becoming a certified medical weight management provider, you'll not only meet this demand, but also unlock a lucrative revenue stream. Our program is unique. In the Certified Medical Weight Management Provider course, you'll learn everything you need to confidently implement a successful, medically supervised weight loss program in your practice. Here's what you'll master: comprehensive patient assessments. Learn how to evaluate patients for weight loss programs, including lab work, medical history, and lifestyle factors. Evidence-based treatment protocols. Gain expertise in prescribing and managing medications like Semaglutide, one of the most effective tools in weight loss today. Behavioral and lifestyle coaching. Equip your patients with the tools they need to maintain long-term success. Business strategies to grow your practice. Learn how to attract patients, market your services effectively, and create a profitable weight loss program. Why is this training so important? The demand for medically supervised weight loss programs is skyrocketing. By adding these services, you can generate between $100,000 and $900,000 annually while helping your patients achieve their health goals. Don't wait to take your practice to the next level. Our upcoming sessions are filling fast, and with limited availability, now is the time to act. Join us in Scottsdale or start learning online today. Transform your practice, improve your patients' lives, and create the work-life balance you deserve. Visit our website or call us at 1-800-219-5108 to secure your spot. Let's grow your practice together.